Oh my god, buttery smooth slow-mo. So the cool thing about slow-mo is that it's a nice added feature for B-roll, and you'll probably see some more of that in my next videos. As I learn things, I'll be adding them in, trying out different things, and just seeing how it goes. Now I know you don't want to put too much in, and you don't want to flood the entire video with slow motion footage, but it's a nice accent. Now this video is going to have a lot of it in it, so you know, pardon that, but it's just because I just discovered it and I figured I'd kind of show off the features of the Fuji XT2. So here you go. So as I say in every video, you're never too old to start something new, and this is just one of those things that I'm adding to my toolkit, you know, to add to these videos, and who knows, maybe when I get to number 25 that I'll be able to put them all together and make something that actually has artistic merit. But this is just a learning process, and step by step I'm gaining new ways of doing things, and seeing how it goes, and see how I can incorporate it in an artistic way into each and every video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it, and check out some of my other videos, and hopefully one gets better than the last. My name is John Weinberg with Photo4A.com. Till next time, take care.